Visual Paradigm Model Canvas tool allows you to create a wide range of model canvas with AI support. Every successful team needs a clear and visual way to plan. In modern business, one of the most effective tools for this is the model canvas. A model canvas is a simple visual template that helps you organize complex ideas on a single page. There are many types, such as the lean canvas, customer journey canvas, and business model canvas, each focusing on a different strategic area. Why use a model canvas? First, it brings clarity and focus by highlighting the essential elements of your strategy. Second, it enhances team communication, aligning everyone instantly through a shared visual. Third, it promotes speed and iteration because model canvases are easy to update and refine. Finally, it supports problem solving, revealing relationships, opportunities, and gaps. Traditional whiteboards make collaboration difficult to manage and share. That is why we created the online model canvas tool. Our platform gives you access to every major model canvas format, complete with ready-made templates and real examples. You can quickly create, edit, and collaborate on your model canvas online with your entire team. Let's take a look how our tool works. In VP Online, go to AI Tools. Select Model Canvas Tool. Press Start Creating Now to begin. You will find a wide selection of canvas types inside the tool. Let us start with a SWOT analysis canvas. Each canvas includes built-in examples to help you get inspiration. With AI assistance, creating your canvas becomes fast and effortless. Enter your topic, then press Generate Canvas with AI button. A complete SWOT analysis will be generated based on your topic. You can manually add new items or ask AI to suggest more ideas for any specific section. Select the ideas that fit your analysis and press Add button to include them in the canvas. By pressing the Edit button, you can modify the title, description, add tags, insert links, and change colors. You can also filter items using keywords, tags, or colors. Hiding the description helps you focus on the key points. To better manage discussion time for different canvas sections, the built-in timer is a helpful feature. Besides the main canvas view, you can switch to focus view when working on a specific area. The AI analysis tool further helps you review your canvas from different angles. Choose the analysis tool you need and press Generate Analysis to instantly get a detailed report. When you finish, you can save your canvas in the tool, export it as JSON, or download it in formats such as document or Markdown.